You can buy this at Walmart for $5.50.
Show the cans the other way.
Okay. And if they run out of this, then you buy whatever refrigerant, 134A, no matter what it costs, it'd be under 20 bucks. Okay, even if you pay through the nose, that's a pretty high price. The other, Larry's Auto Parts sells it for $9, but Walmart sells it for under $6. I bought this now. This is a new one, and this is an adapter that you just screw this in.
Let me see the adapter.
The adapter is the AC Pro. This is how you start to recharge. You got to get this cover off right here. This is the cover to the intake. Don't lose that cover. What you do with this, you put it right here. So I just lay it up here and take my hand or my palm or my finger and just push down. It should click in. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then when I'm finished, I pull up. So you grab this lip here, the thumb and finger. Okay, and then you do your charge. How hot is it today? Almost 85. Let's say it's 85. So you turn this dial on the bottom here. See 70, 80, 100. That's the ambient temperature. So we are going to turn it to where it's 85. And this is my range. These red marks, low and the high. Now the book says 45 PSI is what you should be getting. You see I'm sitting at 25, and the pump is no longer on and off anymore. It's just on. So I'm going to squeeze the trigger and you can see it go down. And I'm going to turn it upside down so you can shake it. And this can should start to get cold. I think it's almost empty. And let's see, where are we? We're still above, just slightly above 25. And I'd like to get it up at least to 35. I got another can of refrigerant. 12 ounces, and it was $5.57 at Walmart, and it's usually about $16, $17 anywhere else. This is an extra long hose for this AC Pro filler, and the other one, the first one, which is $4 cheaper, is a much shorter cable. It's kind of like that short, but this is very convenient. This is how I'm doing it. You squeeze the handle, and that originally, when it was the can's brand new, that's when you puncture it. Okay. I think at some point I'm going to call it quits on this can, really. Take a look at it. Yeah. Okay, we're going to switch cans. Now this is the empty can. I just disconnected it. Big old hole there. And that yellow fluid is that UV type stuff I put in there so you can use a UV light to spot leaks. And here's my next can. Not used yet. I'm just gonna hold that and turn it. I'm going to leave it attached, put the old can off, and I'm basically going to just screw this guy in here. These two red lines, that V, This would be your low mark, and this would be the high mark. Okay, if you get it in between or above the low mark, you're doing good. Okay, so right now you can see this needle is sitting below. So and then be sure to put this cap back on.